Good morning, students. Today's topic is cardiac impulse. What is cardiac impulse? Very simple. It is an impulse produced in the heart. Impulse produced by pacemaker in the heart, which causes the contraction of the heart, is called cardiac impulse. Cardiac impulse is nothing but it is an action potential of the heart, and that's why it is called the cardiac impulse. We'll discuss in detail. Before to that, what is a competency? Competency of cardiac impulse is describe generation conduction of cardiac impulse. Means at the end of this class you should be able to explain the generation of the cardiac impulse. Generation means how the impulse is produced in the heart by pacemaker. That is genesis, or we can say that the production of impulse by pacemaker. And once the cardiac impulse is produced, how it spread over the heart, that is conduction of the cardiac impulse. So you should be able to tell how it is conducted over the heart. Okay, now keep in mind, under cardiac impulse we are studying the electrical events occurring in the heart. You know, first there are electrical events in the heart, and which are followed by the mechanical events. Mechanical events will study in detail in the topic of cardiac cycle. But under cardiac impulse, we have to study the electrical events. And what are the electrical events? The cardiac impulse, that is the action potential of the heart produced by the heart, and it is studied under the points. So what are the points? First, introduction. Why we are studying cardiac impulse? What is the definition? What is the importance? What is the where the site of origin? Then origin of the cardiac impulse, that is how it is generated. That also we studied under the autorhythmicity, that is a property of cardiac impulse. Then once the impulse is produced, how it spread over the heart, and you know it spread over the heart through the special conductive system of the heart. This topic, that is how it spread, we already studied under the property of conduction of the impulse, that is a conductivity of the heart. Okay, then after origin and spread of the cardiac impulse, we'll see the control. Control means the how it is controlled, that is a production of the impulses, how it is controlled, that is a role of nervous system. We can say that what is the role of sympathetic nerves and parasympathetic nerves, or the influence of vagus nerve or sympathetic nerves on the generation of the cardiac impulse. And at the end we'll see the applied part. So if there is a problem or the disturbance in production and conduction of the impulse, then what is the consequences, what is its effects on the functioning of the heart, that will be studied under the applied part. Okay, so we'll take the points one by one. Before to that, students, what questions can be asked on the cardiac impulse? The long question which always asked in your university exam, like describe the origin and spread of the cardiac impulse. Origin and spread, the mechanism of generation of cardiac impulse and how it spread over the heart. Okay, that is your, that is the answer. We'll discuss in detail. Then short note can be asked, or the short question can be asked on the special conductive system of the heart. This special conductive system of the heart, that or that how it generates the impulsion, how it spread over the heart, that is studied under the special conductive system. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide. First, the definition. So what is a cardiac impulse? I told that cardiac impulse is a impulse or the action potential which is produced by SA node or the pacemaker of the heart. Okay, now see definition. It is cell propagatory wave of action potential. Action potential is, sorry, cardiac impulse is the cell propagatory wave of action potential originates automatically and rhythmically from the specialized tissue of the heart and then spread all part of the heart is called the cardiac impulse. So what is meaning of this definition? The cardiac impulse is nothing but it is a wave of action potential. It is produced automatically and rhythmically, okay, by pacemaker of the heart. Automatically means there is no external stimulation to the pacemaker. It is itself in the pacemaker, it is produced and it comes rhythmically. Rhythmically means, the gap between two impulses, gap between two action potentials, so gaps is the same. Okay, that's why it is called the rhythmical. एक impulse के बाद दूसरा आता है और जो दोनों में जो time लगता है that is the same. That's why it is called the rhythmical. Okay, and this is your action potential. Okay, why we study the this cardiac impulse? Because the study of cardiac impulse is important for the study of cardiac cycle, ECG, heart rate, because the further topics, to understand the further topics of CVS, first you should know about the cardiac impulse. Okay, now we'll proceed. Heart has two types of the muscle. Okay, if you see the heart, on heart two types of the muscles are there. Cardiac muscle of atria and ventricles. Okay, so muscles are same but located on atria. These are called the atrial muscle and the ventricular muscle. And second type of the muscle, that is called the special excitatory and conductive system. This in short it is called the special conductive system. It is system, or these are the muscles which produce the impulse and spread over the heart. इसका function क्या है? To generate the impulse and spread over the heart. It is called the special conductive system. Okay, so we'll go there. Now coming to the next slide. Functions of special conductive system. जो हमने special conductive system देखा है उसका function क्या है? Because in this topic we have to concentrate on special conductive system of the heart, because special conductive system, the system which generate the impulse and spread over the heart. Okay, so what is function here? First function is it generating the rhythmical impulse to cause rhythmical contraction. Okay, so I told that so automatical generation of the impulse automatically and rhythmically, and it causes the rhythmical contraction of heart. Second function of special conductive system, it conducts this impulse very rapidly throughout the heart. Means all part of the heart, for example, whole portion of the ventricle, it should contract simultaneously. That's why impulse is conducted rapidly and it spread throughout the heart. Okay, now the next point, importance of the special conductive system. So on the heart there is a special conductive system, we'll see in the diagram, but what is the importance of this special conductive system? Okay, so importance is very carefully you read it, because what is the importance? It causes the atria to contract, it causes the atria to contract slightly ahead than the ventricle. Okay, and allow the time to ventricles to fill blood before its contraction. So if you see the contraction and relaxation in the heart, you can observe that the contraction of atria is first and then it is followed by the ventricle. So it is a specialty of this special conductive system. It allows the atria to contract ahead than the ventricle. And ऐसा क्यों होना चाहिए? Because the ventricle gets time to our ventricle gets time to fill the blood, okay, or to accumulate the blood, or to receive the blood from the atria, okay. So then first atria contracts, then ventricle it contracts, and it is due to it how it happens is that it is a special importance of this conductive system, okay. Now see, next importance of this system, it allows all portion of the ventricle to contract almost simultaneously, okay. You know, if you see the function of the heart, the function of the heart is to generate the force to pump the blood into the circulation, and for to generate the force, whole heart or whole portion of the ventricle should contract simultaneously, and to contract it simultaneously, impulse should be spread to all portion of ventricle simultaneously, and it is very important characteristics of special conductive system. It, what is that? It spread the impulse over the ventricle rapidly and allow the ventricle to contract simultaneously, okay. Otherwise it will be difficult to pump the blood into circulation. I think you followed it, student. Will continue. Now see the parts of special conductive system and their location and functions. Okay. So first see the parts. We'll go for the diagram. So you have to draw the diagram and label. These are the parts of the special conductive system. Okay. So you know I told that in this topic under cardiac impulse, we our main concentration is on the special conductive system of the heart. These are the parts, and the function of special conductive system is to generate the impulse and to spread over the heart, okay. So what are the parts? The parts of special conductive system are SA node. It is also called the sinoatrial node. The short form is SA node. Internodal pathway, AV node, the atrioventricular node. Bundle of His are also called the atrioventricular bundle, right bundle branch, left bundle branch, and Purkinje fibers. Okay, so here parts of special conductive system are capable to produce impulse, and you know, if you say all parts of the special conductive system, it has the capacity to produce the impulse. But you know, SA node, sinus node, it acts as a pacemaker. The normal pacemaker of the heart is SA node. If all parts are able to produce the impulse, why SA node it acts as a pacemaker of the heart? Because the discharge rate or the production rate of SA node is more as compared to other parts of special conductive system. Okay, आपको पता है जो जीता वही सिकंदर, जिसका ज्यादा रेट है वही किंग. तो यहाँ क्या होता है, SA node, its rate of generation of the impulse is more as compared to the others. So SA node act as a pacemaker. But if there is a problem in the SA node, if SA node blocked, then other parts can start production of impulses. Okay, so that's why SA node it acts as a pacemaker. Okay, followed it. Okay, next slide. See that in this diagram, and in this diagram is a green in color. In green color there is a special conductive system of the heart, and you know ये जो वायरिंग जैसे दिख रहा है ग्रीन कलर में, ये स्पेशल कंडक्टिव सिस्टम है. And what is its function? To generate the impulse and to spread over the heart. See the parts already I told where it is located, because you have to explain each part one by one, their function and their location. Okay, so here this is the SA node. If you see orientation of the heart, so right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle of the heart. Okay, so here if you see on the right atrium, so SA node, Then AV node also located on right atrium, and it is connected by internodal pathway. Three preferential channels are there: anterior pathway, middle pathway, and posterior pathway. So internodal pathway. So SA node, which is connected with the AV node and is located on right atrium. Then from right atrium, it enters into the ventricle, and this part is called the atrioventricular bundle, or it is also called the bundle of His. His means it is the name of that scientist who has discovered. So we can say that it is AV bundle, or you can say that it is a bundle of His. Okay. Now it entered into the ventricular side. Once it entered into the ventricular side, AV bundle, it is divided into left bundle branch and right bundle branch. See the left bundle branch, right bundle branch. Okay. And it then spread along the intraventricular septum. So here the wall of ventricle, that is the intraventricular septum. Along this intraventricular septum, left bundle branch and right bundle branch, it enters or it spread, and then it divides and redivides into the large fibers are there, and these large fibers are called the Purkinje fibers. Okay, and the Purkinje fibers, these are the large fibers, and then finally Purkinje fibers are connected with the ventricular fibers. Okay, so there is a fiber to fiber connections between the Purkinje fibers and ventricular fibers. So in this way, this conductive system is spread. Okay, special conductive system. Now we'll proceed that what are the each part and what are their functions. Okay, again you keep in mind this diagram, because I am not showing again this diagram. Here it is a SA node, and if you have the book with you, you can put this diagram in front of you, and you can understand easily further points. Okay, so SA node, internodal pathway, AV node, bundle of His, right bundle branch, left bundle branch, Purkinje fibers. So this is a special conductive system of the heart. Okay, now we'll continue. Next slide. Now see the sequence of the current flow. Once the current is produced, how current it is produced, we'll go for the mechanism. But once the current is produced, how it spread. So it is generated by the SA node. Then first it spread over the atria. At the same time, it passes through the internodal pathway. It comes to AV node. From AV node, current it enters into the ventricle through the bundle of His. Okay, and you know the bundle of His is divided into left bundle branch and right bundle branch. Then these two branches are divides and redivides into the Purkinje fibers in the ventricles, and these Purkinje fibers are then connected with the ventricular muscle. So impulse finally it spread over the ventricle and it leads into the contraction. This is the normal sequence of current flow. You always keep in mind what is a normal sequence of current flow, because if there is problem in the ventricle or in the heart, and that problems can change this normal sequence into the abnormal sequence of current flow. So in applied part we'll discuss later on, but normally current it flows in the heart in this direction or in these ways. Okay, now keep in mind. Now we'll take all parts of the special conductive system one by one. First part is a SA node. Okay, SA node, we can say that it is also called the pacemaker. And why it acts as a pacemaker, I told initially that its rate of generation of impulses is high. Okay, now see what is SA node. First tell its location. It is located in the right atrium at the opening of vena cava. Okay, this is location. Okay, then it is a small flattened strip of special muscle. If you see the diagram, तो diagram में ये कैसे दिखता है, एक ऐसा strip है, and it is a strip of, like this strip is there. This strip is flattened strip, okay. And if you see this strip, it is a 3 millimeter wide, 15 millimeter long, and 2 millimeter thick, this strip, okay. And it is located on the right atrium, okay. Here it contains the special cells. What special cells are there? We'll go there. Here there are no contractile filaments. Means जो muscle contract होता है, तो ये muscle contracts नहीं होता. its function is only to generate the impulse. Okay. Now this is the location. We'll proceed. See the next slide. SA node consists of two types of the cell. Okay. So what two types of the cells? Suppose this is the SA node. Okay. And this SA node, it consists of the two types of the cell. Okay. And these two types of the cells are excitable cells, which produce cardiac impulse, and transitional cell, which conduct the impulse. So if you see the central portion of this pacemaker SA node, central portion, it contain these excitable cells, okay. And these excitable cells are surrounded by transitional cells, okay. उसके surrounding में क्या है? Transitional cells. So what is the function of excitable cell? Impulse is produced in the excitable cell, and then it is conducted through the transitional cell to the rest part, okay. Rest part, that is to the atrium, or to the special conductive system, okay. So this is SA node. And you know, SA node acts as a normal pacemaker because its rate of generation of the impulse is more as compared to AV node or Purkinje fiber, okay. So if you see the rate of generation of the impulses, SA node में कितना है? 70 to 80 impulses per minute. That's why the heart, it contracts, or the heart rate is 70 to 80 beats per minute, because rate of generation of impulses in SA node is 70 to 80 times, okay. In case there is a problem in SA node, AV node will take charge. That is called it is come in the applied part, ectopic pacemaker. It's normally it does not happen, but if we block the SA node, AV node will generate the impulse. Rate, it decreases to 40 to 60 times per minute, okay. And in case there is problem in AV node, then the charge of the pacemaker will be taken by Purkinje fibers, and the Purkinje fiber, the rate will be till less, that is only 15 to 40 times per minute, okay. So here, like this, it works, or their importance is there. So SA node, now we are talking about the SA node. Its rate is 70 to 80 beats per minute. Now we'll continue how the impulse is generated, that is a mechanism of generation of the impulse. We'll see the next slide. See, here in SA node, the excitation, or we can say that the origin of the cardiac impulse, or we can say that the generation of the cardiac impulse, or we can say the production of the cardiac impulse, it is, you know, already we discussed under the autorhythmicity, okay. So origin of cardiac impulse, that means the autorhythmicity property, okay. And here you have to explain, you know, see the mechanism. Before to go for the mechanism, why the pacemaker produce the impulse, what is something different, what is something special in SA nodal fiber? The specialty of pacemaker fiber is these fibers are naturally more leaky to sodium ions, okay. So sodium ions continuously diffuse, or we can say that the leak inside the fiber. So continuous leaking is there, keep in mind, okay. Naturally more leaky, this is one point. Second point, pacemaker fibers are less negative, that is less negative means resting membrane potential in pacemaker fiber is less negative. आपको पता है resting membrane potential is about -90 in skeletal muscle, in cardiac muscle, that is a ventricular muscle, in nerve fiber, the resting membrane potential is minus 90. Okay, but if you see in the SA nodal fiber, it is less negative. तो थोड़ा negativity कैसे कम है, that is minus 55 to 60 millivolt. याद रखो MCQs में आपको आ सकता है कि what is resting membrane potential of SA nodal fiber, तो it is minus 55. minus 55 याद रखो. Okay, as compared to ventricular. Now और एक डिफरेंस है, हम डिफरेंस कैसे देख रहे हैं कि SA nodal fiber is naturally more leaky. SA nodal fibers are, their resting membrane potential is less negative. And third difference, that in SA nodal fiber all three channels are present. Okay, so कौन से जो कार्डियक मसल में है, वेंट्रिकुलर मसल में है, तो these three channels are fast sodium channels, slow calcium sodium channel, potassium channels. All three channels are present in SA nodal fiber, but there is only role of two channels, that is slow calcium sodium channels and potassium channels in SA nodal fiber. Means there is no role of fast sodium channel in SA nodal fiber. So again I will repeat, in SA nodal fiber there is no role of fast sodium channel. It is there but it is inactive. And why it is inactive? Because the resting membrane potential is less negative. Resting membrane potential in ventricle is minus 90. So there in ventricular fiber fast sodium channels work, but here in SA nodal fiber it is inactive because resting membrane potential is less negative. Okay, so this channel is inactive. Means what? Means there is only role of slow calcium sodium channel and potassium channel. Slow calcium sodium channel, it causes the depolarization, and potassium channel, it causes the repolarization. Okay, this is what we discuss the difference, okay, or the speciality of SA nodal fiber. Now we'll continue mechanism. Next slide. Here in this slide, already this slide we studied in properties and how the impulse is generated, mechanism of the generation. Again I will repeat the same thing. See the mechanism here in this diagram, in this graph, here the red color में जो दिखा है, it is a pacemaker potential, that is a impulse generated in the SA node. And जो green color में दिखा है, it is a action potential of ventricle, that is a plateau potential in the ventricle. Pacemaker potential and green color का plateau potential. Okay, so here now coming to the point, mechanism of generation of the impulse, how the impulse is produced. We start from this point. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक एक impulse है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक second impulse है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक third impulse है. Like this impulse are generated, and this is the recording of cardiac impulse produced in SA nodal fiber. Now see the mechanism. We'll start from this point. Okay, you know ये depolarization है, ये repolarization है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक hyperpolarization है. Okay, so depolarization, repolarization, hyperpolarization, then again depolarization, repolarization, hyperpolarization. Now we'll discuss. Start from this point. You know, SA nodal fibers, exactly the resting membrane potential here is minus 55 to 60. यहाँ resting membrane potential कितना है? Minus 55. Okay. Now the first thing is that SA nodal fibers are naturally more leaky to sodium ions. You know, sodium ions are positively charged ions, and if they leaks means they entering from outside to the inside of fiber, and due to their entry inside the fiber, the negativity it decreases. So due to the leakiness of the sodium ions, and sodium ions enters into the fiber, the negativity decreases. That means we can say that potential it increases towards the positive side and it goes up to the minus 40. As soon as it reached to the minus 40, because minus 40 is a threshold value for the pacemaker, SA nodal fiber. So as soon as it reached to the minus 40 millivolt, it leads into the rapid opening of slow calcium sodium channels. And due to the opening of the slow calcium sodium channels, the calcium ions and sodium ions rapidly diffuse or rapidly enters inside the fibers, and and it causes the depolarization. This phase is called the depolarization, and due to the entry of these positively charged ions, potential inside the fiber it increases up to the zero. Once it reached up to the zero or around zero, here what happens is, because these are the voltage gated channel, यहाँ क्या होता है, the slow calcium sodium channel get closed and potassium channel get open. Okay, opening of the potassium channel, and once the potassium channels open, the the concentration of the potassium is more inside the fiber. This potassium ions rapidly diffuse outside. Okay, and due to the diffusion of the potassium ions, positively charged ions, from inside to the outside, it increases the negativity inside, and this potential then again it comes towards the negative side. Okay, or this portion or this phase is called the repolarization. Up to this point it is called the repolarization, but channels remain open for more time, and that is called the hyperpolarization. यहाँ से यहाँ तक it is called the hyperpolarization. And here the one impulse, the mechanism of one impulse or the production of one impulse is completed. So one cardiac impulse is produced. In this way, same thing it repeats again and again, same mechanism it repeats again and again, and here the impulse, cardiac impulses are produced, and it is produced about, rate is about 70 to 80 beats per minute, and it produced throughout the life and causes the contraction of the heart. Contraction of the heart is required to pump the blood into the circulation. Students, up to this point we discussed how the impulse is produced, that is a mechanism of generation of the impulse in pacemaker. Once this impulse is also called the action potential. Action potential, it contains depolarization, repolarization. Once this action potential is produced, what happens is next. Okay, we'll continue. So this slide is just we discuss mechanism of generation of impulse, and once impulse is generated, the next slide is spread of the cardiac impulse, how it spread over the heart. Okay, so here this point already we discussed under the property of conduction of impulse, conductivity of, the conductivity property we discuss. Now here, impulse from SA node spread over the atrial fiber first, then it passed to the AV node, and through the internodal pathway it comes to the AV node. Okay, now next part of the special conductive system is internodal pathway. A diagram में हमने देखा internodal pathway, it is in between SA node and AV node. Here these are the preferential channel, because the velocity of the impulse in internodal pathway, क्या करता है, it conducts the impulse with the velocity about 1 meter per second. Okay, so figure याद रखो for MCQs. The conduction velocity in internodal pathway, it is 1 meter per second. Okay, Now here impulse simultaneously it spread over the atria, and through the internodal pathway it comes to the AV node. So if you see the velocity of impulse spread in the atrial muscle or ventricular muscle, in atrial muscle or ventricular muscle, the velocity of the conduction of the impulse is 0.3 meter per second, but in internodal pathway it is 1 meter per second. Okay, and also keep in mind the total time required for the conduction of the impulse, that is in internodal pathway. That means we can say that time required for the conduction of the impulse from SA node to AV node. Okay, हमने diagram में discuss किया है. This is a SA node, and SA node is connected with three preferential channels to the AV node, and then this is a bundle of His. So from impulse 1 generated in the SA node, how much time it take to conduct up to the AV node, या AV node तक आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? 0.03 second. Because time, to mention the time is very important, because it reflects on ECG paper. ECG में reflects होता है, and if there is any problem in the conduction of the impulse में कुछ problems आया, तो this time it increases. Okay, so we'll discuss later on. Now we'll continue, student. Next slide. Okay, now coming to the AV node, our impulse it is reached to the AV node. Okay, now you know AV node it is also located on right, you know these are the atria and ventricles. Okay, so SA node and AV node. So AV node it also located on the right atrium. Okay, and here AV node. So what is the location of the AV node? The AV node is located. It is located at basal part of the right atrium, just anterior to the opening of coronary sinus. So right atrium पे जो coronary sinus जहाँ open होती है, that is the location of AV node. Okay. Now here this AV node, what it consists? It consists of, again it consists of excitable cells and transitional fiber cells like the SA node. Okay, but the difference is that here the excitable cells are less in number than the transitional cells. Okay, that's why you know the rate of generation of the impulse of AV node is less. It is just 40 to 60 times per minute. And why the rate of generation of the impulse in AV node is less? Because here the transitional cells are more and the excitable cells are less in number in AV node as compared to SA node. Okay, we are comparing with the SA node. Okay, then due to this, you know, this is very important that transitional cells are more, because our impulse it delays in the AV node. AV node में क्या होता है? Impulse velocity कम हो जाती है. So conduction velocity of impulse it decreases in AV node because there are more number of transitional cells. Okay. Now we'll continue. Now you know the cause of delay of impulse in the AV node. You know, once the impulse is produced in the SA node, it comes to the AV node, and in AV node there is a delay for conduction. Okay, and what is the cause of delay? Why the conduction velocity decreases in AV node? Try to understand, student. It is very interesting. There are less gap junctions in AV nodal fiber as compared to SA nodal fiber. There are large number of transitional cell and less number of excitable cell. Then AV fibers, their diameter is less or small diameter as compared to SA nodal fiber. One more difference is that the resting membrane potential is less negative as compared to AV node. These are the four causes why there is a delay for the impulse in AV node. So these are the four causes. And if you see the total delay, the conduction time required in the SA node, total delay is, if you see the total delay in AV node, the impulse delay for 0.09 second, and bundle of His, next part is a bundle of His, or it is called the AV bundle. The delay is 0.04 second, total delay is 13 second. So MCQs agar aayega, if there is a you student, only medical students, you have the MCQs, but physiotherapy students don't have MCQ. But for medical students, in case the MCQ it is there, then you should know how much is the delay and where it is. Okay, so delay for the impulse in AV node is 0.09 second, and delay for the impulse in bundle of is 0.04 second, and the total delay at the junction of atria and ventricle, it is total delay for the impulse is 0.13 second. Okay, now coming to the next point, students, what is the importance of this delay for the impulse, cardiac impulse in this area, AV node and bundle of His? You know, initially I told that is very special importance of special conductive system is it allows the atria to contract ahead than the ventricle. That in simple words, atria contracts first, then ventricle it contracts. और ऐसा क्या होता है, पहले impulse it spread over the atria, it causes of the contraction of the atria, then impulse comes at the junction and where it slows, तब तक atria contract हो जाता है, then it enters into the ventricle and spread over the ventricle. Okay, so importance is it allows the atria to contract ahead than the ventricle. Okay, now see the velocity of the conduction in AV node is very slow, 0.02 to 0.05 millisecond, and discharge rate of AV node I told, once if we allow to generate the impulse in AV node, the discharge rate it is 40 to 60 times per minute. Okay, next slide. Students, up to this point we discuss the impulse produced in the SA node and then is spread over the atria. Now impulse it comes to the AV node and bundle of His and it stay. There is a delay for the impulse. Okay, and then in our next half of the class, next lecture, we'll continue how the impulse it conducts through the bundle of His, then right bundle branch, left bundle branch, Purkinje fibers, and how it spread over the ventricle and what is the applied part, that will be discussed in the next class. Okay, students, thank you, bye.